Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here, and we're back with another exciting smartphone review. Today, we're diving into the world of budget smartphones with the Itel RS4. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A budget phone? Really, Marcus? But trust me on this one, folks, because this little device packs a punch that might just surprise you. We're talking impressive specs, a sleek design, and a price tag that's almost too good to be true. So if you're on the hunt for a new smartphone that won't break the bank, stick around because this review is for you. We'll be putting the Itel RS4 through its paces, testing its performance, camera, battery life, and more. I'll give you my honest opinion on whether this budget-friendly device is worth your hard-earned cash. By the end of this review, you'll know everything there is to know about the Itel RS4 and whether it deserves a spot in your pocket. And hey, who knows? We might even have a little surprise for you guys at the end. So make sure you watch till the very end. Let's dive right in. Section 2. Unboxing the Beast First Impressions. First things first, the unboxing experience. Itel didn't cut any corners here. The packaging feels premium, and opening it up, you're greeted with the phone itself. It feels surprisingly sturdy and well built for a budget device. The back panel has this cool textured finish that not only looks good, but also helps with grip. Underneath the phone, you've got your usual suspects: a charging brick, a USB cable, and some documentation. No complaints here. Setting up the phone was a breeze. It runs on Android, and the UI is clean and easy to navigate. No bloatware in sight, which is always a plus. Overall, my first impressions of the Itel RS4 are overwhelmingly positive. It looks good, feels good, and the software experience seems smooth so far. But of course, the real test comes down to its performance and everyday usability. And that's exactly what we'll be diving into in the next section. So buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Section 3. Performance that doesn't break the bank. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Itel RS4 is packing a pretty capable processor for its price range. I've been using it for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, and scrolling through social media. And I haven't noticed any lag or stutter. Apps open quickly, and multitasking is handled surprisingly well. Of course, you're not going to be playing the most demanding games on this phone, but for casual gaming, it holds its own. I tested out a few popular titles, and they ran smoothly without any major frame drops. The Itel RS4 also handles everyday photography like a champ. The camera app is snappy, and the photos I've taken have been impressive for a phone in this price range. We'll dive deeper into the camera performance in the next section. But for now, let's just say that the Itel RS4 exceeded my expectations in the performance department. It punches above its weight class and delivers a smooth and enjoyable user experience that you wouldn't expect from a budget device. Let's talk about the camera, which is often a point of compromise in budget phones. However, the Itel RS4 manages to hold its own. It sports a surprisingly capable camera setup that captures some decent shots in good lighting conditions. The colors are vibrant, and the details are surprisingly sharp for a phone in this price range. Even in low-light conditions, the camera manages to capture a decent amount of detail, though there is some noticeable noise. The camera app itself is straightforward and easy to use, with various shooting modes to play around with. It's not going to replace your DSLR anytime soon, but for everyday snapshots and social media posts, the Itel RS4's camera gets the job done. Overall, the camera performance of the Itel RS4 is a pleasant surprise. It's not going to win any awards, but it's more than capable of capturing those memorable moments without breaking the bank. One of the most important aspects of any smartphone is its battery life. And let me tell you, the Itel RS4 does not disappoint in this department. With moderate usage, this phone easily lasts a full day on a single charge. I'm talking about browsing the web, checking emails, watching videos, and even playing some light games. Even with heavier usage, the Itel RS4 still manages to hold its own. And if you do happen to run low on battery, the fast charging capabilities will get you back up and running in no time. This is a phone that won't have you tethered to a power outlet all day long. It's a reliable companion that will keep you connected and entertained throughout the day. So there you have it, folks, the Itel RS4. This phone has seriously impressed me. It's a budget-friendly device that doesn't feel like a compromise. It looks good, feels good in the hand, and performs admirably. The Itel RS4 proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a great smartphone experience. And for those of you wondering if it's worth your hard-earned cash, the answer is a resounding yes. But hold on, because we're not done yet. I've partnered with Itel to give one of you lucky viewers an Itel RS4 of your very own. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below telling me what you're most excited about the Itel RS4, and share this video with your friends. The winner will be announced next week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Peace out!